Let's harvest all of this gorgeous lavender. What I like to do is just take a big chunk at a time and then just give it a haircut. And I will hang that. Oh my God, there's no better smell. That's amazing. The more you cut, the more it grows. So it's really a good idea to cut these flowers back. After you got all the leaves off, let's go ahead and just arrange them to hang. Now, when I like to arrange these, I like to put all the stems at a slightly different height, meaning not bunch all the flowers at the same spot, but dangle some lower and some higher. That way they get the airflow that they need for drying. Give it a little tie with a little bit of twine, or you can use a rubber band, and then you are going to hang that upside down for a couple weeks. Just hang them up.